Hello friend, welcome back on my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to open all shortcut key of MS Word. You will be able to see all the shortcut key of MS Word just few clicks. Press from your keyboard Alt plus F8. When you press this key, this window will appear. In the below, it is written macros in. Click on this drop down list and select Word command. Delete the previously written command and search here list command. Select list command and click on run and click OK. When you click OK, here you can see all the shortcut key of MS Word will be open. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.